advantages of an e-portfolio. First, we have technical challenges. Technical challenges of creating an e-portfolio can be challenging if you are not familiar with the technical aspects of website creation and maintenance. As we experience when making an e-portfolio, some of us have struggled with that part because creating an e-portfolio in a Google site, some of us didn't know where the site is. Right? But our instructor gave us a video link so that we know how to do. And then the second one is primary concerns. An e-portfolio will include personal information that you may not want to share about you. It is important to take appropriate measures to protect your privacy when creating an e-portfolio. Example, not all, like this person's name, na nakakao na we don't know what's their if there are. And then there's a chance that in making an e-portfolio, we may reveal the identity that we had or they had been hiding for so many years. That's why we have primary concerns or privacy concerns. And the third one is time consuming. Creating an e-portfolio can be time consuming, requiring you to carefully curate and organize your work and accomplishment. It is time consuming because when you are creating an e-portfolio, you must know the shortcuts of it. If you didn't know how to make it, like as I experienced before, creating an e-portfolio, you need to insert text and images, but some of my classmates know some shortcuts, and what they do is to use the other app and then insert the image of it and then use it so that it can be used. And then the last one is accessibility and limitation. Accessibility limitations, some individuals may not have access to the internet or the necessary technology to access the e-portfolio. Limiting its accessibility was certain audiences. For example, the basics, most of us here are from the station classes, and not all of us have an internet connection or a laptop or a computer. And also, some of our classmates have a phone, but the phone doesn't have an update. So that when creating an e-portfolio, the